From serene water oases to extravagant backyards, pools have transcended their function as mere recreational spots to become masterpieces of art and engineering. The following is a countdown of the top 17 most epic pools and backyards that exemplify luxury, innovation, and design. Number 17. Jade Mountain Resort, St. Lucia. Nestled in the lush landscape of St. Lucia, Jade Mountain Resort offers breathtaking infinity pools that blend seamlessly with the Caribbean Sea. Each suite features a private infinity pool, providing an unparalleled panoramic view of the Pitmans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The integration of these pools with the natural environment creates an oasis of tranquility and luxury. Number 16. Hanging Gardens of Bali, Indonesia. Perched on the edge of a jungle ravine, the tiered infinity pools of the Hanging Gardens of Bali provide a sense of floating above the treetops. The design follows the natural contours of the landscape, and the lush surroundings offer a serene escape. This remarkable combination of architecture and nature creates a unique swimming experience. Number 15. The Library Koh Samui, Thailand. The library in Koh Samui is famous for its striking red pool, a bold design choice that contrasts sharply with the azure waters of the Gulf of Thailand. The pool's vibrant color is achieved using mosaic tiles, creating a visually stunning effect that is both modern and mesmerizing. Number 14. Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. The rooftop infinity pool at Marina Bay Sands offers a breathtaking view of Singapore's skyline. Positioned 57 floors above the ground, this pool gives the sensation of swimming on top of the world. It has become an iconic symbol of modern luxury and architectural innovation. Number 13. Amanjuri, Utah, USA. Amanjuri, situated in the rugged terrain of southern Utah, features a pool that appears to be carved directly from the surrounding canyon rock. The minimalist design harmonizes with the desert landscape, creating a serene and contemplative space that feels timeless and elemental. Number 12. Hotel Caruso, Italy. Perched high above the Amalfi Coast, Hotel Caruso's infinity pool offers a stunning view of the Tyrrhenian Sea. The historical charm of the hotel, combined with the pool's seamless edge, creates a sense of floating between sky and sea, making it a truly romantic and enchanting destination. Number 11. San Alfonso del Mar, Chile. San Alfonso del Mar boasts the world's largest swimming pool, extending over 1,013 meters in length. This colossal pool holds 250 million liters of seawater and offers various activities such as kayaking and sailing. Its sheer size and crystal clear waters make it a marvel of engineering and a spectacular sight to behold. Number 10. The Oberoi Udavilas, India. The Oberoi Udavilas in Udaipur features luxurious pools that overlook Lake Piccola. The intricate design, inspired by traditional Indian architecture, includes elegant fountains and marble pavements. These pools offer a royal experience reminiscent of the grandeur of Indian palaces. Number 9. Nandana Villas, Bahamas. Nandana Villas in the Bahamas offer a private retreat with an expansive pool that seamlessly integrates with the beachfront. The villa's sophisticated design includes a swim-up bar, luxurious cabanas, and a sense of exclusivity that caters to the elite. Number 8. One and Only Rithi Ra, Maldives. The One and Only Rithi Ra features pools that offer direct access to the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. The overwater villas have private infinity pools that blend with the ocean horizon, providing a perfect blend of luxury and nature. Number 7. Ubud Hanging Gardens, Bali. The multi-tiered pools at Ubud Hanging Gardens are built on a hillside, offering spectacular views of the surrounding jungle. The design creates a waterfall effect where each pool flows into the one below, enhancing the sense of immersion in nature. Number 6. The Cambrian, Switzerland. The Cambrian Hotel in Switzerland offers a pool experience with a dramatic backdrop of the Swiss Alps. The outdoor heated pool allows guests to enjoy the stunning mountainous views year-round, combining the best of relaxation and natural beauty. Number 5. Four Seasons Safari Lodge, Serengeti, Tanzania. Located in the heart of the Serengeti, this infinity pool overlooks a waterhole frequented by wildlife. Guests can watch elephants and other animals while swimming, providing an extraordinary connection to the natural world. Number 4. Lakala Island Resort, Fiji. The pool at Lakala Island Resort is a feat of design, featuring a glass-edged pool within the main pool, creating a unique floating effect. Surrounded by lush tropical foliage, it offers a secluded paradise with unmatched luxury. Number 3. Grace Santorini, Greece. Grace Santorini features a stunning infinity pool with unobstructed views of the Aegean Sea and the caldera. The minimalist design and the breathtaking sunsets make this pool one of the most picturesque in the world. Number 2. Huvufin Fushi, Maldives. Huvufin Fushi, located in the heart of the Maldives, is a luxurious resort renowned for its unique and innovative amenities that provide an unparalleled experience for its guests. One of the standout features of this tropical paradise is its extraordinary infinity pool, which becomes a spectacle of lights as the sun sets. The pool is designed with fiber optic lighting that mimics the enchanting bioluminescence found in the natural world, creating a magical effect that makes the water shimmer and glow under the night sky. This mesmerizing feature transforms a simple swim into an almost otherworldly experience, as guests are enveloped in a soft, radiant glow that mirrors the starry canopy above. Number 1. Aquatic Hotel, Santorini, Greece. Perched high on the cliffs of Oia, the Aquatic Hotel in Santorini, Greece epitomizes luxury, elegance, and breathtaking beauty. This iconic hotel is celebrated for its series of pristine infinity pools that offer panoramic views of the deep blue Aegean Sea and the stunning caldera. The pools are designed to blend seamlessly with the horizon, creating an illusion of water merging with the sky. This visual effect, combined with the picturesque backdrop of Santorini's famous whitewashed architecture, makes every swim a transcendent experience. The design of the Aquatic Hotel is a harmonious blend of traditional Greek elements and modern luxury. The whitewashed buildings with their domed roofs and winding staircases are characteristic of Cycladic architecture, exuding charm and simplicity. The diversity and ingenuity displayed in these epic pools and backyards highlight human creativity and our desire to create serene, luxurious spaces. From natural landscapes to modern architectural marvels, each of these pools offers a unique experience that transcends mere swimming, providing a sanctuary of beauty and relaxation. Whether nestled in jungles, perched on cliffs, or floating above cities, these pools represent the pinnacle of design and luxury, inviting us to dream of our perfect escape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.